In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to Wix. Let's dive right into making your website more visually engaging and informative with these powerful tools. First, we'll start in your Wix dashboard, the central hub for creating and managing your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the App Market, which you can access directly from the editor. The App Market is where you'll find a variety of applications designed to extend the functionality of your Wix site. Here, you'll want to search for a chart or graph app. There are several options available, with Charts and Graphs and Common Ninja Charts being among the popular choices. These apps are specifically built to integrate seamlessly with Wix, making it easy to enhance your site with data visualizations. Next, you'll want to select the app that best suits your needs and click to add it to your site. This process might label the button as Add to Site, Install, or simply Add, depending on the specific widget or application. Once you've successfully added the application, you'll have a new tool at your disposal in the Wix editor. Now, let's move to the page of your site where you plan to showcase your newfound chart or graph. Whether it's a sales page, an informative blog post, or a dedicated statistics section, this is where your data will shine. Once you're on the right page, look for the new chart widget within the Apps section of your editor. This is typically available in a tab labeled My Apps or Apps, making it easy to locate. With the widget now accessible, it's time to position it on your page. Simply drag the chart widget to the desired spot on the page. This step is straightforward, but placement is key to ensuring your charts look great and convey information effectively. Keep in mind that you can adjust the size and position as needed, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your overall design. And just like that, you've added a chart or graph to your Wix site. It's a simple process, but one that can tremendously enhance the interactiveness and professionalism of your website. Remember, whether you're illustrating complex data or simply adding a visual touch, the right chart can communicate volumes. Make sure to spend some time customizing the data and appearance of your chart using the settings provided by the app. This ensures that not only is the information accurate, but that it's presented in an aesthetically pleasing way that aligns with your site's theme and purpose. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that you're ready to embellish your site with stunning charts and graphs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy charting!